Hi Paul, good afternoon, this is Greg. I am at Printer's Loft. I'm on the third floor and have just finished the walkthrough with the one of the Laclede gas foreman. He came in to just give me an idea of what we could do. What you're seeing is the common line, or one of the common lines in this building that actually runs from the basement, from the garage area, all the way up to the top floor. So this is a common line that runs up. It's running at about 2 pounds of gas through these larger pipes, and I know you can't see it in there right now, but that piping actually runs right through here and comes out right there. And then you'll notice there's a smaller line that's actually carrying the gas at about a half a pound because of the smaller line, and then it comes right up here and takes a right-hand turn, and that actually goes over into unit 306. What we would do is they would actually install a T right at that spot right there, and then they're going to run the gas line all the way back down along the ceiling area, and that area is approximately 50 to 55 feet right down here to unit 303. The line would actually come into the unit right up there near the electrical conduit, and as we walk in the unit, and we'll show you where it would actually go. It would actually come from the outside of the unit, again up near where all the electrical conduit is. They're going to run it across the ceiling. They're going to run it through this wall, which is on the back side of the kitchen where the refrigerator is, and it would actually come out right up in that general area there. He said you could actually take and drop a gas line. We could actually run the line right down here between like the refrigerator and the cabinetry, and then you could jackhammer up the concrete and actually have your gas line run right here. Another suggestion would be, and I've seen this in quite a few places, and it's very similar to what we have at Dorsa, where we actually have our oven, our gas range and our oven and our sink and everything all in one common area, all together. In this case, your refrigerator would be right next to it, and then you could use this area as just a full service island and not have a gas range or anything in there. So again, some things to think about. It is definitely doable. We have gas that is piped throughout the building. It definitely can be run in here, and what we would then need to do is to check and see what the status is on as far as getting board approval, which I don't think will be an issue, but certainly just to let people know what's going on depending upon the route that you would want to take. The other thing is, once you have the gas line that comes in up there at the top of the ceiling, in order to get to the fireplace on the other side, if you wanted to put a fireplace in over there, then you would just go ahead and run that gas line. He said you could actually run it down the back of the wall at its termination point across the ceiling all the way up here, and then again it intersects right back up here at the top. So again, on the inside here we would actually run a T, one that would come down to supply the gas range. The other T would go across to the wall, back down the wall, and then would tie into your gas fireplace. So hopefully that'll give you a good feel for what can be done, and he's going to try to get me some pricing. Laclede Gas would need approximately 1 week to get all of this taken care of for them to come in, so we need to schedule them a week in advance if that's something you wanted to do, and they would come in and run all the piping. I'm going to try to get from the owner of Unit 403 the name of the contractor that he used to break up the concrete, if that's something that you're interested in having pursued as well. So I will keep you posted and hope things are going well. Bye.